three clues out of crude. We got the outside day, and that outside day told us sell retracements or bring the price right back up in and buy those previous lows. Second clue was the price wedge. And the price wedge, which we found right here, the price wedge said basically the same thing. If we break below the wedge, I expect the price to come right back up. And then the third clue was the major support. We had major support right here and right here, again, found from my indicator package on my 89 range chart. And that major support told us that would probably be a great spot for a price reversal to bring it right back up again. Now, what happened today was actually pretty much exactly what we described. We began this morning knowing it's a Friday morning, so we began thinking we're probably going to get that reversal back up. And that's exactly what happened. Well, at 77.57, here we are at 8 o'clock in the morning, 7:45 in the morning, and it bounces off the support and starts going sideways. Now, when it went sideways, we marked up the range. And we later on sold the highs of that range, right? Nice little scalp winner. We then went above the highs of that range, and that's when we said, there we go, buyers are going to try to bring that thing back up in, and we bought pullbacks all the way up. Then we saw the buyers fail at the previous low of day. We tried to sell below the previous low of day, and the end of the morning ended up chopping around right here, around that 80 even level. So we got the price reversal, which went into a sideways range. We sold the highs of that range before price went through the highs again. We bought a pullback, with the target being the previous low of day. They failed at the previous low of day, and we sold that failure a couple times this morning before price went sideways, because again, Friday mornings, you're not going to get price action very well after about 10:30, 10:45. So we make 23 ticks at 9:03, 41 ticks at 9:05, and this is when we're now up to the previous low of day. What are we going to do there? Well, first of all, remember, a level above me. What is a level above me? It's resistance. What do we do at resistance? We sell. What do we do at support? We buy. So the first things first, the previous low of day, you can see it goes a little bit above it. And guys, in this situation, you're going to see price do one of two things. It's going to go either bam, right? It'll go right through it like a paper napkin, right? It's not going to have any problems. Bam. You know when that happens? I'm going to buy a pullback. Okay? When that happens fast, like I said, like a knife through butter, all the way through that previous low, that's when I'm buying a pullback. The buyers are in charge. But that didn't happen this time. What happened? We went up and we tiptoed around the previous lows, right? We tiptoed up to it. And meanwhile, we just finished taking off 42 ticks of profit there. So now we're at the previous low of day. Momentum is overbought and now curling over on our JJ momentum indicator. I've got resistance, right, because I'm not above it yet. And we tiptoe around up here. We see those buyers failing. We know from experience that unless we see it, boom, right through it, I'm going to sell those, right, in this case, resistance. Sell resistance first. Sell the range highs first. All right? And, of course, at 9:07, we take 19 ticks of profit out of it.